Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you something that's very simple but it's very useful. I think that this is an amazing idea if you want to make a gift or for these coming holidays. You can make with a small material, you can make this for your friends or for your family, and I'm sure that every time they use it they will remember you, so it will be an amazing detail. Remember that we don't need too much to make a gift. So let's start. I will give you the material list and then the step by step. Well, for this book separator, we are going to need 100 grams of the yarn of your favorite color. I'm going to use this fine material, 100% cotton, and a crochet hook of number 3. Remember that if you want to buy this same material, here I will share all the information where you can buy it. Remember that if you want to buy and use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es. Well, we will start making the flower, so we will make 5 chains. I'm going to use a different color for the flower, okay? So first we are going to make 5 chains. We are going to close in circle, and also if you don't want to make the book separator, well, you can learn how to make this flower. I haven't teach you this flower, this style, so it will be very useful if you learn it too, if you don't want to make a book separator, so it will be useful for your coming projects. Well, we will go up making 2 chains, and now we are going to make double crochets here inside the ring. We are going to make 2. We are going to make the double crochets of 3 crochets. So again, we are going to make a double crochet, remember, of 3 crochets, like this. Then 2 chains, and we are going to close, inserting a hook in the ring and making a single crochet. So this will be 1 petal, and like this we are going to make 5 petals. So again, 2 chains, then inside the ring, 2 double crochets, remember, of 3 crochets, then 2 chains and a single crochet inside the ring. So like this we are going to make 5 petals. We have 2 out of the 5. So well, you are going to pull a little bit to make a space for the coming petals, and like this is how all the 5 petals will be in the same place. So this is how you are going to be adjusting your petals, okay? Well, I think that this is an amazing detail. Maybe you can buy to your favorite person, you can buy her favorite book, and then you can give it with this book separator, and it will be an amazing gift for these coming holidays. Remember that right now in this pandemic, we lost our jobs and there is no time to buy expensive gifts. By making this, it will be an amazing detail to make something special for the person you love, for the person that you want to make something special for. So I think that this is a very, very nice present. So when we finish the 5 petals, we will make 3 chains. And now where we made a single crochet, right here we are going to insert our hook in the back and make a single crochet. So I will make it again. So look, we are going to make 3 chains, and right behind the last single crochet that we made of the next petal, right here we are going to insert our hook in the back. We are going to open it a little bit so we can insert our hook exactly where it is, and we are going to make a single crochet. So we will have at the end 5 waves like this one behind each petal. Well, so look, I finished. I have 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves. Okay, so we are here. Now what's next is that we are going to slip one till the next wave like this. So right here we will go up with 2 chains, and also here inside these waves we are going to make a petal. So remember, we are going to make double crochets, but instead of making 2 like we made in the other petals, we are going to make 4 double crochets. So here we have 2, 3 and 4. 2 chains, and here where is the single crochet, right here we are going to make the single crochet of this petal. Well, I think instead I'm going to slip one. It will look much better, right? So we are going to repeat the same in all the waves. In the next waves that we made, remember that at the end we should have five petals. And we are going to continue making the double crochets of 3 crochets. But we'll see you when we finish to make these 5 petals. Here I'm about to finish the last petal. So then here, remember here at the end, instead of making single crochet like we made in the first petal, we are going to slip one. And like this we finish. So now we are going to cut this thread and we are going to pull. Now I'm going to teach you how we are going to make the rest of the flower. Look at this. If you want, you can make another stage of petals. I think it would look so beautiful too. So now right here where we finish, we are going to make a knot and join the other color. In this case, I'm going to use a green color. Actually, that's the only color I have left, so it's perfect for the flower that I'm making. So I'm going to make a knot here, and now we are going to make the stem of the flower. Remember that this part is the one that will go between the book. So we are going to make the chains according to the long and to the length of the book that we are making this book separator. So we are going to make the chains a little bit loose, because remember that sometimes when we tie our chains too much, then it will be difficult to crochet when we go back. So please make them a little bit loose. Well, I already lost the count of the chains that I have made, but well, I'm going to continue. I'm going to take this agenda that I'm making this separator for. So I'm going to take this agenda as a reference, but let me see. No, I need more chains, so I will continue making more chains. Okay, so I think it's enough, right? So well, now from here I'm going to make 6 chains more to make the end of the stem, this part, this curly. Sorry, I said 6. We are going to make 8 for this curly. So 8 chains, please. So after these 8 chains, we are going to count 3, and in the third we are going to insert our hook. And right here we are going to make 4 double crochets inside. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, now we are going to right to the next stitch, and we are going to repeat the same, okay? In the next chain we are going to make 4 double crochets together again, and we are going to repeat the same in the coming stitches, okay? We are going to make 4 double crochets inside each chain. So we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stitches like this one. Well, at the end of these stitches, you are just going to curl a little bit, and that's it. If you want this curly longer, well, you should make more stitches and repeat the same. Well, now in the coming chains, we are going to slip one to create a round lash. Okay, you will see the effect. It looks so good, and you can use this same technique if you want to make a strap for your top, or if you want to make a strap for a beanie or for something, for some project. This strap is very useful, and this technique too, as you can notice the effect. Well, we are going to slip one until here, and I stop here because I want to make a leaf right here and one in the other side, like I made here. You see? They look so beautiful, right? Well, we are going to continue. We are to make the leaf, we are going to go up with 3 chains, and then in this same stitch we are going to make a double crochet, but we are going to leave the last stitch in hold like this. Again, a double crochet, and now once we have 3, we are going to bring them through 1 chain, 2, 3 chains, and slip 1 right here next to the leaf. So here we have the first slip. Now we are going to slip for 3 stitches more. 1, 2, and 3, and now we are going to make the other leaf in the other side. Basically we are going to make the same. We will go up with 3 chains, and in the same stitch we are going to make 2 double crochets. Remember that we are going to leave the last stitch in hold, and once we have them together we are going to bring them through. So here we have the third, and now bring them through, chain 3, and come back and slip 1. So we're at the end of these leaves. We are going to slip 1 until the flower, until here, and then we almost there, we almost finished. We cut, and then with the embroidery needle we are going to hide all these loosened threads, and we are going to leave it like that. If you want, you can iron a little bit the flower and the leaves so they will look better. Well, this is it, the book separator. Now I will teach you how we are going to hide all the loosened threads. This technique is very useful too. With embroidery needle we are going to take these small threads and we are going to hide it through all the project like this. Okay, sometimes it's easier like this than using the hook. Well, I found it more easy. So I don't know, what do you think? But well, now let's see how it looks. Well, so what do you think? I hope that you have liked and that you have enjoyed making this book separator with me. I really enjoyed it. Remember that you can use it either for books or like me, you can use it for your agendas for this coming year, that I know it will be so much better than this one. I hope that you have liked it, and please make it for these coming holidays. You see that we don't need too much money, too much material to make something beautiful. So please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to visit my channel for the coming videos. Thank you. Bye.